Defining classes using inheritance forms an is-a relationship among the objects in the inheritance hierarchy. So in the previous example, we defined the circle and rectangle objects from the base class geometric object. Therefore, a circle object is a geometric object, or a rectangle object is a geometric object. Now, this allows us to write generic code in a sense that when in our code we need a base class type, we can actually use a derived class type. To show this, here is an example. We have a function display geometric object, that's the name of the function. Return type is void, and this particular function receives one parameter. The parameter type is geometric object. It's the base type. And the name of the parameter is shape. And the function has just one line of code. It basically calls up the toString function and prints the string that it returns. So that's the function. In the main, here it is, we are calling the function and passing the shape object in the first trial, and then we call the function again and pass a circle object as an argument, and then finally we'll call the function again and pass a rectangle object as an argument. The shape is actually declared as geometric object, so that should be fine. So that will call the toString function in the geometric object, and the text geometric object will be printed. For the next call, display geometric object passing a circle. Now we know a circle object is a geometric object. Therefore, we can replace or we can pass a circle as a parameter to this function because a circle is a geometric object. And when the line or the call to the function toString is executed, the toString function in the geometric object is called, not the toString function in the circle object. After all, this is a geometric type, so it goes back to the base class and calls the function in the base class. Same thing for the rectangle. When the function is called and a rectangle is passed as an argument, we can do that substitution, and when the call is made to the toString function using the shape, once again the toString function in the base class is called, not the toString function in the rectangle object. So let's try this. We are going to run this code and take a look at the output. Here it is. We made 3 calls to the display geometric object function. The first time around we passed a shape as an argument, so the function toString in the geometric object is called. The next time around we passed a circle object as an argument, but still the toString function in the base class is called and we see geometric object. Same for when we pass a rectangle as an argument, the toString function in the base class is called. So all 3 calls produce geometric object.